awe-inspiring videos of Armageddon Turbo Systems on YouTube. Add your name to this elite product by becoming an Armageddon Preferred Installer. Armageddon Turbo Systems feature industry-leading engineering and an all-star collection of the world's finest automotive component suppliers. Armageddon Preferred Installers receive the benefits of international recognition, exclusive territory, dedicated technical support, and discounted wholesale pricing. Complete turbo systems are drop-shipped directly to your facility, ready for installation. No inventory investment required. Every Armageddon turbo system includes a base map to make engine tuning simple and efficient. There's no cost to sign on as an Armageddon Preferred Installer, but certain conditions and requirements apply. Bring the best to your customers and get in touch with Armageddon Turbo Systems today at goturbo.net. Go for the efficiency. Go for the power. Go for the best. Go Turbo.